Hi guys, it's Amanda Renee. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be doing another product comparison that you are probably used to on this channel, but if you're not, I tend to do that on my channel a lot. So this video is no different. I'll be doing a product comparison between the Camille Rose Guava Slip Whip Souffle Styler, and I'll be comparing that to the African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisturize and Define Curling Cream. Both of these you may have probably seen on my channel, but if not, go and check those videos out afterwards to see how both of them act separately on my hair. We're going to be doing a flat twist out. I will go through the process of doing the flat twist out, then I'll be back to show the results. The process of the flat twist out will be a montage because it is not a tutorial, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the flat twist out process. And as I said, I'll be back to show the results for both sides of my hair. Y'all, so this is the African Pride side and this is the Camille Rose natural side. I will leave these in for about 3 days just because I want them to be extremely dry, and I also want them to be set in place, and we will see how the results come out. So stay tuned for that, and also stay tuned to see which one I actually prefer. So stay tuned. All right, so it is exactly 4 days later, and as you can see, my hair is looking crusty, but I know the definition may be very good on both ends. I cannot wait to see how the Camille Rose side will perform and how the African Pride side will perform. I will come back after each side is done, but I will just undo this one for you on camera. This is the African Pride side, and I will put the product on the screen for reference just in case you forgot what it looked like. I'm not unraveling with oil, so I'm really just taking my time to really separate the curl. I still haven't fully gotten the hang of doing flat twist properly, so it may be frizzy, but we move. It will definitely not be the product's fault, but more so a matter of technique. It feels okay so far. Which I'm thankful for. So we will continue going. This is the first one undone from the African Pride side. I will undo the rest off camera. Then I'll be back when it's time to unravel the Camille Rose side. All right, this is the African Pride side. Not bad with the definition. I really need to perfect my craft with my ends, but other than that, not bad with the definition up top whatsoever. I'm going to do the same thing for the Camille Rose. Then I'll be back to share my thoughts on the moisture, definition, and hold. So stay tuned for that. Alrighty guys, so this is the Camille Rose side. And now we will get into my review. I usually do this segment focusing on the moisture, the definition, and the hold. So let's get into the moisture department. Based on these results, look at how I missed one. Let me come back. Yes, so in the moisture department, I can safely say that the Guava Slip side definitely feels a lot softer and a lot more moisturized rather than the African Pride side. I'm not saying that my hair feels dry, but I'm just saying that this side feels a lot more moisturized. So I will give the Guava Slip a solid 8 out of 10, and I will give the African Pride a 7 out of 10 for moisture. Definition now. You all can see the African Pride side, and you all can see the Camille Rose side. I don't know if my technique had anything to do with the frizz over here, but in this case, I will definitely give African Pride its points. I will say that African Pride gets 8 out of 10 for definition, whereas Camille Rose gets 6.5 or 7 for definition, because as you can see, the front is really defined and there's some curly pieces here. If you can just overlook the frizz, it may have been my technique that really butchered the chance of Camille Rose doing well. So that is a downside on my part. But if you look at my other videos featuring the Camille Rose Guava Slip Whip Souffle styler, you can definitely see that this works on a twist out and also a braid out. So I will have to perfect my technique with a flat twist out, and I'll circle back to see if it will make a difference. But as it stands, 6.5 out of 10 and 8 out of 10. Now the hold, again, although this side feels more moisturized than this side over here. I can definitely say that African Pride has more hold, so I will give it feels like African Pride will have more hold, so I will give African Pride an 8 out of 10 for hold, and I will give Camille Rose a 6.5 for hold on this side. But I know based on my previous experience with Camille Rose, my hair will remain defined but just have a little more volume. So I'm definitely looking forward to that as the days continue going by. Overall, I can say that African Pride worked better in this regard, but the Whip Souffle Styler is definitely a fave of mine. These two products are still favorites. I will choose African Pride sometimes, and I will choose Camille Rose sometimes. Camille Rose is not as affordable as African Pride, but you are still getting your money's worth in both products. So don't take this side, because there are some defined pieces in the back, so you can definitely say that Camille Rose definitely can do a good job at definition. It's just this part here that is really throwing everything off. So the definition was still, I will give it a 7 out of 10 for definition, just because of the bottom pieces that are really defined and the top part is really ruining it. But my thing still stands. I really like the Whip Souffle Styler, and I really like the African Pride. So going based on this video, just pick and choose which one you'll go with. I am a firm believer that once you get your technique down pat, both of these products will work like a charm. The evidence is here with the African Pride, and the evidence is here with the Camille Rose, plus my other Camille Rose videos that I will put on the screen now, and I will also put in the description box. So do this information what you will. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe for more natural hair content. See you in my next one. Bye bye.